Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to social science class. Students, as we are studying the rise of small kingdom in North India, chapter 10. And in this chapter, we have read about Rashtrakutas, Palas and Pratiharas. And in our previous video, we have studied about Rajputs. That Rajputs were the son of Raja. In this video, we are going to discuss about a Rajput dynasty, that is Chauhan dynasty. Have you ever heard the name Prithvi Raj Chauhan? He was the great king of Chauhan dynasty. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about him. So let's start. Chauhan dynasty enjoys a special place of prestige among all the Rajput clans. The Chauhan kings ruled over Gujarat and parts of Rajasthan. Chauhan dynasty is the main dynasty or a special dynasty. It has a special place in Rajputs. A greatest place, or we can say the highest place in Rajput clans. And they ruled over the area of Gujarat and Rajasthan. Prithviraj Chauhan was the powerful king among the Chauhans, and he became king in 1177 CE. He came to the throne means he became king. वो राजा कब बने? In 1177 CE में. He made many conquests. He also checked the advances made by Muhammad Ghori of Gaur by defeating him at the battlefield of Tarain near Bathinda. A Turkish invader, Muhammad Ghori. He came from Gaur, that is in Afghanistan. गौर एरिया से मोहम्मद गौरी इंडिया पर अटैक करने आया. He invaded India, but he was defeated by Prithviraj Chauhan in the first battle of Tarain at near Bathinda. Prithviraj Chauhan was a great king, a great warrior. The stories about him are very common in the areas of Rajasthan and Gujarat. He was a hero, and even today he remains a hero of many folk tales. Folk tales means जो लोग आपस में स्टोरीज सुनाते हैं, अपने किड्स को स्टोरीज सुनाते हैं किंग्स की. तो पृथ्वीराज चौहान वॉज अ हीरो ऑफ दीज स्टोरीज. एंड चंद बरदई composed an epic poem, Prithviraj Rasu, which narrates his bravery and heroism. Chand Bardai was a poet of Prithviraj Chauhan's court. He wrote about Prithviraj Chauhan, and he wrote an epic poem, and its name was Prithviraj Rasu. It is about the achievements of Prithviraj Chauhan. In this poem, he just explained the bravery and the heroism of Prithviraj Chauhan. The struggle for supremacy and constant infighting created disunity and enmity among the Rajputs. This attracted the Muslim invasion in India. The Rajput failed to join hands with each other to defend India from Arab invasions. As we have discussed before, that all the Rajput kings and other kings were engaged in wars for the supremacy or for extension of their areas. So it results in the invasion, Turkish invasion. The Muslims from Afghan or Turk came to India and they just controlled over our region. Rajput tried to defeat these Turkish attackers or invaders, but they failed as they didn't have unity. There is a lack of unity between Rajput kings, and there is an example of disunity among the Rajput kings. Jaichand. Jaichand was also a Rajput king and he was the king of Kannauj. He helped Muhammad Ghori to defeat Prithviraj Chauhan. जयचंद भी राजपूत किंग था, बट उसने एक तुर्किश इन्वेडर की हेल्प की टू डिफीट अनदर राजपूत किंग, दैट इज पृथ्वीराज चौहान. So this type of disunity helped Turkish invader for controlling the country or took control over our areas.